For this 3 by 3 determinant, we're going to be using cofactors to evaluate the determinant. So the determinant is a single number that we get from multiplying, adding, and subtracting arrangements of these numbers in here. To do it by cofactors means that you pick a row, or you can pick a column. I'm just going to keep it simple and use the top row. And either literally or in your mind, cross out that row, and then one at a time we need to cross out each element in the row. So next I would cross out the 2, and once I have the top row and the 2 crossed out, what's left is a tiny 2 by 2 determinant, and we use that to get the cofactors. So we're going to have, when we cross out this row and this column, we get this 2 by 2 determinant. So -1, 6, 11, and 2. And then the number that we crossed out, that's used in front as a coefficient. So 2 times that 2 by 2 determinant. And now move over and cross this one out. And what's left is the 4, 6, 7, and 2. So a 4, 6, 7, and 2 are the 2 by 2 determinant, and the -3 was what we used to get that, and so -3 goes in front. And then finally do the same thing with the 1. So it's going to be the 1 that gets multiplied with, so if we cross that 1 out, it's going to leave 4, -1, 7, 11. 4, -1, 7, 11. And now before we compute these 2 by 2 determinants, there's one other thing, and that is the signs. Well, in the in the 3 by 3 determinant, the signs that we attach to these things have to alternate. And in fact, they have to alternate throughout the whole determinant. So if you were to use the middle row instead of the top row, the numbers in front would be a 4, a -1, and a 6 would be the numbers that go in front here. But then for the 4 you attach a negative. For this you would attach a positive, and for this you would attach a negative. So we need to attach an extra positive on that, which actually doesn't change it, a negative for the middle one, which does change it, and then a positive on the last one. So in here we've got a 2 on the outside, and for this 2 by 2 determinant, multiply the main diagonal, which is a -2, and then subtract this other diagonal, which is 66. And this is going to be a +3 multiplied with, so multiply here is an 8, subtract 42. And the last one's going to be a 1 multiplied with a 44, subtract a -7. So this is going to be a 2 times -68 plus 3 times -34, and then 1 times a 44 plus 7 is 51. So the determinant's going to be a 2 times -68 plus 3 times -34 plus a 51. So finally, -187 should be the determinant. And we can use the calculator to check. Under matrix, go to second matrix, move over to edit, choose a matrix like A, that's 3 by 3, and then enter our matrix 2, -3, 1, 4, -1, 6, 7, 11, and 2. And now quit. And on the home screen, tell it to find the determinant of matrix A. So under matrix, go over to the mathematical operations, and DET is the determinant. Whoops. Oh, it's the first one. And then go to back into matrix and get the name A and find the determinant, and we got it right, -187.